guys? It's been like 3 weeks since that event. Great time. I've just been so busy, honestly. Life is a little bit hectic right now. Good, but hectic. And on top of that, the past couple weeks, possibly like a month, my allergies have been tearing me apart. I get no sleep. So just overall stressed a little bit. But great event. Had an amazing time with my friends, of course. To everybody that supported and bought shirts, thank you so much. That means the world. I don't know. I have no real good way to show my appreciation over a video, but it means a lot. We do have a winner. Had a winner. I mean, it's been 3 weeks, so we are going to be shooting that truck in the fall when the leaves start to change. We'll get some sick content. Definitely look forward to doing more giveaways for sure. New merch on the way. So if you're going to be at shows that we're going to be at in person, I'll have new merch. White shirts, blue logo. Very sick. Definitely a good time. I'm really tired. I'm running on like no sleep because of these fucking allergies keeping me up at night. I just hope you understand that, like, despite me being low energy, it's a sick video, and I think you'll enjoy it. Follow me on Instagram. I'll link all that. Put my stuff right about here, maybe. And, yeah. Thank you guys again. Pray for me and my allergies, and enjoy the video. What up, guys? It's Striggs. I'm late. Meet my homies at Walmart. Diesel in New York. Make it quick and simple. I'll see you there. Yeah, literally. There we go. There we go. Look at the fucking squad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Shout out to Barty Customs. Yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yo, let's see it.
6 bird squeal. Did they spin?
No, definitely not. Oh yeah?
Oh, he's gonna spin it?
Yes, sir. Look at Y-Dog over there, scared to come over where the big boys are at. Sus.
Go get your shirts. 20 bucks, boy.
20 bucks.
Go.
Let's go. Best in the biz, baby. Best in the biz. Best in the West. Look at this shit. Yes, sir. Raining like a motherfucker. Waiting for the friends to show up to set up the booth. Don't know where we're parking. It's always a good time. Yeah, Toyota's getting fucking rallied in this mud, let me tell you. That thing's sick. But, yeah, I guess we'll figure this out. Yes, sir.
Yo, that fucker eats!
basketball.
Oh my God, you can see. Oh no. What's up?
Yo, pop that shit. Well, don't pop that shit up. Probably don't do that. How we living, brother?
Freezing, bro.
It's freezing, it's raining. It's freezing, it's raining. Handsome as fuck.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Great event. Looking forward to the future events. There's going to be one this weekend, Big Time Customs charity event. We're going to that. I'll have a booth there. I guess I've never done this, but yo, if you want to have your truck or car or whatever you want, if you want professional photography and video work, let me know. I just bought a very expensive setup that I'm rocking with now. So now I could actually offer professional work and feel comfortable offering my services. So yeah, had a great time. I appreciate you guys. Follow me on Instagram. See you in the next one.